Apple invents the iPhone in 2007, and between that year and 2015, the volume of iPhones sold goes from about 5 million to 230 million. What would happen during that phase is that if Apple made a design change that obviated the need for a certain supplier, that supplier would be 95% dependent on Apple. Because of how demanding Apple was, these companies would make these big investments to keep up with Apple and to supply them, and then find that we're not on the next product. And they would find themselves bankrupt. And this would happen over and over. So Apple starts to tell companies, however fast you're growing with us, please make sure you are growing that fast with somebody else. What do you do with that skill set that Apple has taught you how to do? You call up Oppo, Xiaomi, Huawei, Vivo, and you say, we can build this portion of the smartphone for you. And this basically happens across hundreds of companies where they take their skill sets and begin to supply the domestic homegrown companies. And the Chinese companies grow by leaps and bounds. By the end of the decade, there are no non-Chinese Android companies. The impact of Apple exporting its technology and it being imbibed by the Chinese is not a story about globalization. It's very much a story about Chinification.